How to change language in Roblox Mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox. Log into your account. Click on More at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then it will lead you to this page. In here, scroll down and click on Settings. In Settings, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Account Info at the top. Then in Account Info, scroll down and in here you'll find Language. Click on Language. Now it's English, so I can choose any language I want, and as you can see, my language has been changed. And this is how to change language on Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.